Yeah. I can hear you now. I can hear the beep.
Hear me?
I'm reconnecting. Yes, I can. Yes. It's weird, bro. Ah, okay. So I was playing music.
Yeah.
So I won't play music then.
That's probably what it is. Yeah. So I just couldn't play music.
So because I just paused it and now you're really clear.
Yeah. I thought it was me because I have a shitty setup.
Dang, what the heck? Senna, get your stuff correct. I'll back out first. Exit to the right. Dude, why do these roads look so slippery, man? Feels low as heck. I feel like my windscreen is about to hit it right now. Like my windshield for my helmet. And what am I talking about? My visor. Yeah, it said out of order on like the payments. We're turning left. Ah, okay. Who? Ah, now it's clear because I'm not playing music. That's so weird, man. It's like a two-wheel, it's like a trike, some shit. Some truffle? Is that truffle? Yeah. What restaurant? Oh, the True Food? Man, look at that lamb. Are we going straight? Oh, we're turning left. What are all these things? I'm skipping that. Oh, what is this? I've never... Nice, without Kyle being here. Friday, man. Ooh. Luckily we're bikes. Yes, park all the way here. Don't do it, dude. knew he was gonna do it, man. He wasn't. He never look. Came up like Jordan. He's about to merge into here. Look at this. Nah, he's not sitting low enough. And he looks like Andrew Tate. He's bald. You gotta see. He's got the glasses on too. My man looks. Oh, hello, German Shepherd. Oh, Nando's is pretty good. What is everyone doing? Pedestrians. And what is that Nissan doing? What is everyone doing, man? Oh my God. What are these cars doing, man? Yeah, you take lead. I don't even know where I'm going. I'm lost. So I used my other one to cut these the same. It actually feels kind of nice. I like these. The stomp grip. Yeah. Dude, if you got an exhaust, man, yeah, it'd be very loud probably. The whole, like, yeah, your headers and everything. Every time I pull up like to like a light with a person, they just stare at you. I don't know. Like, they just think like we're up to no good because we're on the bikes. Damn, dude, today is really nice. Kind of like last week too. I mean, last time we rode too. I scored the state winning goal. I thought it said goat. What is that? Oh, field hockey. I never understood field hockey. Damn, she thick, you guys. Yeah, yo. Don't get distracted. Don't get distracted. I didn't even notice that billboard next to me. Right? I only see it if it's like next to a Taco Bell. No. Oh, wow. He actually went. You're really windy, Francis. Okay, you good now. What were you saying? Oh, true. Dude, I cannot survive in DC without a GPS. I don't know. Dude, I make so many wrong turns in the car, man. Yes. We're near my dad's shop actually too. The old one. Oh, this is literally, okay, this is where I go to get on the express lanes in the morning at work. I know now. I see now. What the heck? And I come out from here, true. Dude, imagine if we went earlier. Nah. Yeah. This is my dad's old shop right here. It's like one of his friends. I mean, he still like stops by here and there because his tools are there. Yeah. And his tools are still there, so like, oh shit. Should we stop by Coleman's? Nah, psych. I would never see that place again. You can't even, oh yeah, I guess you can turn there. I'm stupid. Damn, so close. Yeah. Cause no one can afford a damn house, man. That's true too, man. These are probably about to be like 3,000 a month or something. Cause you're like, you know, around everything. Or at least like 2.5. Yeah. It's like the middle grounds, man. Left turn up here. Oh! I always get got on these freaking potholes. No, no! You're supposed to keep the sensor for us, man. Yeah. Nice temperature. Dude, how hot does your bike get? Dude, my bike gets up to like 212, like pretty easily, and it keeps rising. Yeah, same right now too. Green light. Yeah, same here. Luckily. Ooh. Are you going back, sir? Are you? No, I was like, are you leaving from here? Okay. It's his birthday. Let him hang with his familia. Alrighty, sir. I'll see you next time. Take it easy. Go ride a bit more. Ah, beautiful. Come on, man. Mm-hmm.